with ball, Naukasanam, up and down, legs straight, join big toes, tighten kneecap, lips close. 1, up, down. 2, up, down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come on, legs up. Ready. 11, up, stay there. Naukasanam, stay there and stay strong. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Total body turn to right side. Sitting position. Turn to abdomen side. Half mid body liftings. Half flanks. Interlock hands. Join legs. Abdomen thigh legs. Abdomen thigh legs always in air. In between no full down. No zero. No relax. Always mid body in air. Ready? 1, up, down, but not full down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, up, stay there, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sashankashanam. Sashankashanam. With the 2 dumbbells, standing position. With the 2 dumbbells, standing position. Joint foot. Hands full rotation clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, anti-clock. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. With brick support, butterfly. Sit straight. Thigh hips full up and full down. Full strokes. Ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sit in Vajrasanam, both bricks in stand mode. 1 dumbbell just beside with you on left brick. 1 dumbbell just beside with you on left side. Parvatasanam, both bricks in stand mode. Parvatasanam. left foot in between ribs, look up, see the roof, left leg back, look down, right foot in between ribs, look up, see the roof, right leg back, look down, find your abdomen. 1, left foot forward, look up, left leg back, look down. 2, right leg forward, look up, right leg back. 3, left leg forward, look up, left leg back, look down. 4, right leg forward, look up, right leg back, look down. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right leg. 11, left leg, stay there. Now dumbbell with left hand, dumbbell with left hand. Upper body turn to Buddha wallpaper side, not sun god, not main door. Total upper body turn to Buddha wallpaper side. Your face, your chest, your abdomen. Now left hand make it straight 90. From the mat, left hand should be straight 90. Left hand, left shoulder, left upper back, more pull back side. Lift right knee in air. Come on, stay strong. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Parvatasanam, Parvatasanam, Sashankashanam, Sashankashanam. Standing position. Joint foot, only hands. Only hands without dumbbells. Joint foot. Hands, side liftings. 1, full up and full down. 2, 3, full stretch. 4, stretch up. 5, stretch up. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, up, stay there. Interlock hands, both palm facing roof. Lift heel, lift midfoot, only stand on foot fingers. Come on, full stretch up and stay there like a statue. Body and mind balancing asanam. Tadasanam. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, no catwalk. 7, 6, stretch up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Turn to north side. Full wide, more wide. Both legs separate. Full wide, double wide. Brick exactly left foot ankle back side in stand mode. Dumbbell with right hand. Both foot turn to left side. Both foot turn to left side. Upper body turn to main door side. In this asana, always face, chest, abdomen. Total upper body turn to main door side. So in this asana, don't bend your left knee. Left kneecap should be tightened. ఎడమ మోకాలు చెప్ప గట్టిగా బిగించాలి. Both hands above shoulder level. Hands full back stretch. Now slowly bend your upper body to left side. Take support brick with left hand. Above right hand should be straight 90. Right hand, right shoulder, right upper back, pull back side. Tighten both kneecap. Trikonasana. తలపైకి ఎత్తాలి, పైన డంబెల్ చూడాలి. రైట్ హ్యాండ్, రైట్ షోల్డర్, రైట్ అప్పర్ బ్యాక్, పుల్ బ్యాక్ సైడ్. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. Hip rotation clockwise. Hip rotation clockwise. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Anti-clock. 6 5 4 3 2 1. With ball. Both foot outside mat. V-shape cross. Full V-shape, full cross. Hands above head with ball. Hands pull back side. Lips close. Half sit-ups variations. 1 down, spine straight down. 2, look up. 3 4, ముందరికి వాలిపోవద్దు. 5, don't lean too forward. 6 7 8 9 10. Ready. 11 down, stay there. Come on, stay there and stay strong. Utkutasana, chair pose. 12 11 10 9, little more down. 8 7 6, ఇంకా కూర్చోవాలి. 5 4 3 2 1. Sit down. Eyes closed, lips closed. Lips closed, mouth closed, eyes closed. Maintain normal breathe.